Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can change password in WriteSonic. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.apps.writesonic.com/login. Once you do so, you will end up in this page where you need to simply click on the profile-like icon on the right hand side. So once you press on it, you need to now go to profile details and there you can find the password option. Now simply type in your new password of your account, and once you type it in, you need to confirm it by retyping the password again. So once this is done, simply press on the create password option, and after it, your password will be successfully changed and updated. So this is how you change password in WriteSonic. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.